Hi, today we're going to show you 3 exercises that can help when you have a productive cough. The first exercise is called active cycle of breathing exercise. So you use your nebulizer at home and you breathe into your lungs. So you breathe through your nose and out through your mouth. And you do that 5 times. The last 2, you do a huff. And then you cough. This will help to loosen up the phlegm. It's very effective and you can do this a couple of times until all your phlegm is out. The second exercise is called a Bronchial Vibe. Now this is a very cool little device that you can get from your local physio. This device has basically a little ball inside, and when you breathe it, it makes a vibration. And what it does, it vibrates into your lung and it helps to loosen up the phlegm inside so that you can cough it out easier. So how you do it is you put your Bronchial Vibe like this, and you breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth into this little device. So you go. And you try to do that for as long as possible. And you do that 10 times. The last one you can force it out and then you cough. So I'm going to quickly show you. So you go in. The last one you force out. And then you cough. Do this 3 sets of 10 or until all the phlegm is cleared. Exercise 3, diaphragmatic breathing or belly breathing. Our diaphragms are also connected to our parasympathetic nervous system. If we can get our diaphragms to work better, we will actually help to decrease stress levels. If you can get your stress to go down, you will help your immune system. So this will indirectly help you get better. So I'm going to show you now how to breathe through your belly. So you breathe through when you breathe in, you push your tummy out. So basically you go. So the idea is to relax your upper chest and only focus your breath in your belly. I'm going to just show that again. So it's So there you have it. This is really 3 very good exercises that you can do at home. If you need a Bronchial Vibe, you can give us a call. We have some stock available. Otherwise, please keep safe. Please wash your hands. And remember to stay at home. This is the only way we will be able to fight this virus.
Please take note that according to the World Health Organization, COVID-19 transmits through droplets in the air. So please take extra precaution when you treat yourself at home so that you don't infect other family members. Treat yourself in a separate room where other family members does not get to avoid transmission. If you are concerned about it, please do not use the nebulizer.